There it is!
What a remarkable force from just a tiny animal!
Such vocal strength from a bird, how inspiring.
Oh, no. That is only a fox. A fox!
That's what she said.
We still have a long way to go.
I hear it! Delightful!
Similar to the sound of little temple bells, I should say.
What a success it will be at court! Oh, no. That is only a frog croaking in the pond. A frog! A frog! We still have a long way to go.
Oh.
My feet are hurting.
A long way to go for a bird.
Softly. We're coming close. That's it. That's it. Listen.
Charmant! Where is it?
How ordinary it looks.
No wonder it was never presented at court. It has probably lost its color from the sight of so many distinguished personages.
Of course, that explains it. Sweet little Nightingale, the Emperor of all Cathay wishes to hear you sing.
It is my pleasure.
My fine little Nightingale, I am not your emperor. It is my very pleasant duty to summon you to court this evening, where you shall enchant our emperor with your sweet song.
It sounds best in the open, but I will come with greatest honor.
I believe you accept my... To the palace! Quick! Hurry!
For your Imperial Majesty's most royal indulgence, a delicate pâté compounded of rendered yak, rare spices, exotic herbs, and the tongues of hummingbirds. For your Imperial Majesty's most royal gratification, a gently roasted suckling pig raised exclusively on the milk of lambkins and glazed with the honey of rare Himalayan bees.
I tasted this before, some years ago.
Oh no, Your Majesty.
In the springtime.
Oh no, Your Majesty. That suckling pig was glazed with the honey of rare Kashmiri beans.
Perhaps.
For your Imperial Majesty's most royal gustatory amusement, a peacock stuffed with a goose, stuffed with a pigeon, stuffed with a quail, stuffed with a single teeny tiny canary egg of the rare blue canary of Siam.
Nice.
I found the Nightingale. I have found it, Imperial Majesty. I found the Nightingale.
Where is it then?
Where is it? Where's the Nightingale, dear Imperial Majesty? I have found the Nightingale. I'm the Nightingale. Punch in the stomach. Your Imperial Majesty. There is the Nightingale.
Little bird, your song has gone straight to my heart. I wish to reward you. You may have my golden slipper to wear around your neck.
Thank you. No, I have been rewarded enough. I have seen tears in the Emperor's eyes. For me, that is the richest treasure.
Very well, little bird. How can I reward you then?
Perhaps you could give something to everyone else.
Prime Minister, you may open the treasury, give everyone in my kingdom a ruby in honor of this remarkable bird that's just made the Emperor so happy.
Your Imperial Majesty, we may not have that many rubies.
The emeralds then.
Simply.
It is morning in all Cathay, Your Most Gracious Imperial Majesty.
Is it? So it is. Give me a song, little bird. So many different songs, each more ravishing than the last. I think I'll share it with the public this coming Sunday.
Sing, little Nightingale.
More beautiful than tinkling bells.
I'm definitely getting the hang of it. Listen.
That's remarkable. Now, listen to me.